Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Once again, if you are my subscriber, thank you so much. I always say that, but I'm really very grateful to those who are following me here or on Instagram. And if you're not yet, please check out my channel. There are lots of helpful, colorful and interesting videos. I'm sure you will like it, and then probably you might subscribe. Today I'm swatching, reviewing and doing a quick ombre lip tutorial with the new Nyx Electro Brights matte lip cream. So let's take a closer look at it. The color isn't fully opaque in one layer, so I will apply a second one. Surprisingly enough, this color actually looks good on my tan skin tone even by itself without a lip pencil or another lipstick for an ombre, but I still like how it looks in ombre a tiny bit more, so let me show you a quick example of the lippy and then I will tell you about the formula. I'm really loving how this color looks paired with darker blue. As for the formula, it feels pretty good. It is not drying, it feels nice on the lips, which is a big plus. Now to the minuses. First of all, the coverage isn't opaque from the first layer, but you can really build it up. Next, I have tested this soft matte lip cream yesterday. I have worn it for a couple of hours, and after a couple of hours of wear, at least by itself without another lipstick, it sort of starts to get a little in the lip lines, so it doesn't come off completely. It is a long-lasting color. However, you can kind of see your lip wrinkles better, so you will have to retouch it throughout the day. It is not completely smudge proof, though it does look really matte. And as far as the color goes, I really love this mint one. I think it is pretty unique, and also NYX didn't have a color like that. As for the other colors that came out in this Electro Brights edition, I think they are dupes, and sometimes really exact dupes, of the color that NYX has in the liquid suede. I will now state all the colors that I think they dupe to, and you can find them all swatched in my liquid suede video, which I'm leaving a link to in the description box below. So the other colors we have here in the Electro Brights are called Atlanta, which is a coral and similar to Life's a Beach in liquid suede. The next one is Tampa, hot pink. It is similar to Pink Lust. It is a tiny bit less vibrant than Pink Lust, a tiny bit lighter. Then we have Rio de Janeiro, which is very similar to NYX Liquid Suede in Sway. The Florence purple color is the exact dupe of NYX Amethyst. And the Tulum color is basically NYX Little Denim Dress. These were all liquid suede colors, however, I have noticed that some of them, like Little Denim Dress and Sway, have disappeared from my local store and also from the Russian website of the NYX Cosmetics. However, I can still see them on the USA website. I'm not sure if they were discontinued everywhere or just in some countries, so you have to keep an eye out for that. Probably they decided to replace the NYX Liquid Suede colors with this new soft matte formula, which to me would be a pity because I really like the liquid suede formula more, and besides it's more convenient to do the lip art. Anyway guys, I hope to have given you a good idea of the color and of the formula, and if you want to see this look in detail and as well as lots of other colorful looks, please just visit my Instagram and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video, loves. Bye bye!